पब्लिक स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूवर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, इस सीरीज़ से आप अपने एग्ज़ामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन भी कर सकते हो। आप हमारी वीडियोस को 2x स्पीड से देखकर अपने एग्ज़ामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो। इन वीडियोस को अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, जिससे वो भी क्लास 5 चैप्टर्स सीरीज़ का बेनिफिट उठा सके। In this video, we are going to learn first, new terms of this lesson. Second, pick the correct answer of this lesson. Third, fill in the blanks of this lesson. Fourth, true and false of this lesson. And at last, we are going to learn question and answer of this lesson. Let's start, friends. First, we will discuss new terms. First, treat. Its parts of speech is noun. Its meaning is the activity of buying, selling, or exchanging goods within a country or between countries. Second, cartridge. It is noun, which means a tube containing explosive powder and a bullet that you put in a gun. Third, revolt. It is a noun which means strong and often violent action by a lot of people against their ruler or government. Fourth, indigo plant. It is a noun which means a plant that has pinnate leaves and clusters of red and purple flowers. Fifth, disparity. It is a noun which means a difference between two or more things, especially an unfair one. Let us move on. Sixth, farmer. It is a noun which means someone who owns or manages a farm. Seventh, independence. It is a noun which means political freedom from control by the government of another country. Eighth, spices. It is a noun which means a type of powder or seed taken from plants that you put into food you are cooking to give it a special taste. Ninth, battle. It is a noun which means a fight between opposing armies, groups of ships, groups of people, etc. Its synonym is war. Last word of new terms, discontent. It is a noun which means a feeling of being unhappy and not satisfied with the situation. Second, we are going to learn pick the correct answer of this lesson. Let's start with question number 1. Vasco da Gama, who discovered the direct sea route to India to Africa, was a... Answer of this question is Portuguese. Vasco da Gama belongs from Portugal. Question number 2. The British first established their control over dash. Answer of this question is Bengal. The Britishers established their first control over Indian state of West Bengal. Question number 3. After the revolt of 1875, the rule of dash came to end. Answer of this question is East India Company. After the revolt of 1875, the rule of East India Company came to end. Question number 4. The British forced Indian farmers to grow dash. Answer of this question is indigo. The Britishers forced Indian farmers to grow indigo plant. Last question of take the correct answer. A famous leader of the revolt of 1875 was led by dash. Answer of this question is टांटिया टोपे. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लग रहा है हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. Third, we will discuss fill in the blanks of this lesson. Question number 1. The dash was the first Europeans to arrive in India. Answer of this question is Portuguese. The Portuguese were the first Europeans to arrive in India. Question number 2. British rule caused widespread dash among Indians. Answer of this question is discontent. British rule caused widespread discontent among Indians. Question number 3. The revolt of 1857 is also called the first war of dash. The revolt of 1857 is also called the first war of independence. Question number 4. The soldiers declared dash as the leader of the revolt of 1857. Answer of this question is Bahadur Shah Zafar. The soldiers declared Bahadur Shah Zafar as the leader of the revolt of 1857. Last question of fill in the blanks is the Battle of Plassey was fought in dash. You have to tell in which year the Battle of Plassey fought and where it was fought. Answer of this question is 1757 in Bengal. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 in Bengal. Let's move on true and false. Let's start with question number 1. Indian spice, silk and cotton were very popular in European markets. Answer of this question is true because Indian spice, silk and cotton were very popular in European markets. Question number 2. The revolt of 1857 started in Chennai. Answer of this question is false. Question number 3. The British were very fair to the rules of princely states. Answer of this question is false because the Britishers were very unfair to the rules of princely states. Question number 4. The farmers were very unhappy with Britishers. Answer of this question is true because the farmers were very unhappy with Britishers because Britishers forced farmers to grow indigo plant. Last question of true and false is the ruler of Jhansi was Lakshmi Bai. Answer of this question is true because the ruler of Jhansi was Lakshmi Bai. Friends, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Let's start short question answers. Question number 1. Name the traders who came to India. Answer of this question is Portuguese, Dutch, French and British are the traders who came to India. Question number 2. What is the other name of Revolt of 1857? Revolt of 1857 is also known as First War of Independence. The other name of Revolt of 1857 is First War of Independence. Question number 3. Name some leaders of the Revolt of 1857. Answer of this question is The leaders of revolt of 1857 are Bahadur Shah Zafar, Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, etc. Let's start long question answers. Question number 1. The revolt of 1857 proved to be a turning point in Indian history. Answer of this question is revolt of 1857 proved to be a turning point in Indian history. The nationalist feeling born during this struggle became deeper year after year. The feeling inspired the Indians to finally succeed in overthrowing the foreign rule in 1947. Let's move on to question number 2. Why were the Indian rulers and princes unhappy with the British? Answer of this question is this. The Indian rulers and princes were unhappy because many unjust laws were passed by the Britishers, like the doctrine of lapse. Question number 3. What were the causes of revolt of 1857? Answer of this question is the causes of revolt of 1857 are discontent, disparity and discrimination. Second, use of greased cartridge. These cartridges had animal fat and had to be bitten off before being loaded. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For latest updates, press bell